Thank you for your interest in the Crohn's and Colitis Congress. This brief video will show you how to submit an abstract for consideration for the 2020 meeting. The deadline to submit an abstract is 9 p.m. Eastern on Wednesday, October 23, 2019. Co-author disclosures are due by 5 p.m. Eastern on Wednesday, October 30, 2019. Before you submit your abstract, please be sure to read the full rules of submission and abstract formatting instructions available at CROHN'sColitisCongress.org/abstracts. When you are ready to submit your abstract, visit the submission site located at Crohn's Colitis Congress 2020.abstractcentral.com. If you are a first-time submitter, click the Create an Account link. If you are a returning user, log in with your user ID and password. For password assistance, click the Forgot Password link. After logging into the site, you'll be prompted to update your disclosure for the 2020 meeting. Click the OK button to proceed to the disclosure form. Once you have accessed the disclosure form, answer all questions marked by a red asterisk. Click the Save button at the bottom of the screen to submit your disclosure. As a reminder, all authors listed on an abstract must complete their disclosures by 5 p.m. Eastern on Wednesday, October 30, 2019. When you're ready to begin your abstract submission, click the Submission tab in the top left corner of the screen. Next, click Create New Submission. We'll now discuss the 5 steps to submitting an abstract. You'll first need to select a submission type. For general submissions, select the Abstract Submissions option and then click Continue. To complete Step 2 of the submission process, enter the abstract title and body. Please note that abstract titles must be capitalized, though you can use superscript, subscript, and special characters. You may also upload up to 2 images per abstract. In Step 3, you will answer a few questions about your abstract, like the science type and submission category. Answer all questions on the page marked by a red asterisk, and then click Save and Continue. You'll now be able to add co-authors to your abstract. Please note that all authors must be listed individually. To add an author, click the Add Author button. Now, perform a quick search to see if your co-author already has an account at the site. You can search by name or email address. If your search results in an author you want to add, simply click the Add link next to his or her name. If your search did not result in the correct author, you can create a new account for this person by clicking the Create an Author button. Enter the new author's name and email address to create the account, and then click the Submit Created Author button. After you have added your authors, ensure that their institutions are listed correctly. You will now have the option to change who is listed as the presenting author by using the radio dial button in the Presenter column. Additionally, make sure to ensure the author and affiliation orders are correct and renumber as needed. When your author string is complete, click the Save and Continue button at the bottom of the screen. The final step is to review your abstract. Any incomplete fields will be marked by a red Incomplete button. Click on that button or the Edit button to return to any portion of your abstract. After you have proofread your abstract and have made any final edits, click the Submit button at the bottom of the page to submit your abstract. Upon successful submission of an abstract, you will receive a green confirmation message at the top of the screen, along with an email. Your co-authors will also receive email messages alerting them to the submission. These messages will contain links to their individual disclosure forms. Abstract submissions can be saved in draft status. You may edit a draft any time until the submission deadline. To edit a draft, simply click the Submission tab and then use the drop-down menu next to the title of the abstract and select Edit Draft. To edit an abstract that has already been submitted, click the Submissions tab and then use the drop-down next to the abstract title to select the Edit Return to Draft option. The abstract will then be placed into draft status so that you may complete your edits. Once you have made all edits, be sure to resubmit the abstract, as any abstracts in draft status at the 9 p.m. Eastern deadline on October 23rd will not be reviewed or considered for the meeting. For technical assistance at the abstract submission site, please contact the ScholarOne support team. For all other questions, contact Congress Administration at info@CROHN'sColitisCongress.org. Thank you again for your interest in submitting an abstract to the 2020 Crohn's and Colitis Congress.